Welcome students. Today we will discuss the remaining question of our exercise 2.1 of our NCERT book 7th class. Okay, so question number 1 we have already discussed. In this question still if you are having problem, just check LCM, then add or subtract whatever given to you. Okay, question number 2, you have to arrange in the descending order. So for arranging the given numbers in descending orders, if the numbers are in fraction, first of all you have to take the LCM, you have to equalize the denominator, then only you are able to find it out which number is the greater one or less one. Okay, same question number 3 also. A magic square it is given to you. You have to find it out whether it is a magic square or not. For this what you have to check, the sum of each row, column as well as the diagonals. They should be the same. Just see the numbers. For all the numbers denominators are same, so simply you have to add. Okay, because denominator is same, so LCM is same only, it is 11 only, so you can add them. And if the result is same, it is a magic square. So try to solve these questions. If any confusion is there, you can message me. Okay, now we will discuss our word problem. See question number 4. A rectangular sheet of paper is long, this one width. You have to find its perimeter. So just keep it in your mind, what is the formula for finding the perimeter of given rectangle. So you know it very well that perimeter is 2L plus B. So using that formula, you have to find it out the perimeter. Okay. See, length is given to you. It is in mixed fraction. Convert it into the improper one. It is, you have to multiply these two, I have already told you, and you have to add that one. Okay, convert it. This also you have to do the conversion. Then perimeter is 2L plus B. Instead of L and B, you have to put the values. Now take the LCM and find its value. Okay, now you can solve it. Solve it by your own. Question number 5, just see question number 5 is here. You have to find out the perimeter of ABE. So where ABE is? ABE is this triangle. So for a triangle, what perimeter is? It is sum of all sides. You have to add these three sides. What you will add? 5 upon 2, 2 whole, 3 upon 4, then 3 whole, 3 upon 5. These three numbers you have to add and you can find the perimeter of rectangle. Now for perimeter of triangle you will find. Now for perimeter of rectangle you have to add BE, ED, DC and BC. Okay, this BC and ED same, BE and CD they are same. So you have to add 2 whole 3 upon 4, 7 upon 6, then 2 whole 3 upon 4, then 7 upon 6. And second method also you can utilize. It is a rectangle, and rectangle for rectangle perimeter is 2L plus B. So that formula also you can use. Okay, now the question is whose perimeter is greater one. So for finding the greater one, what you will do? You will compare both of the perimeters. So which answer is the greater one, that perimeter will be the greater one. Okay, now question number 6. Question number 6 is Salil puts a picture in a frame. A picture is put in a frame. The picture is this one white. To fit in the frame, it cannot be more than this one. How much should the picture be trimmed? This one is the width of the frame. This one is the picture one. You have to find how much you have to trim. For this, just see what you have to do. See the solution. Width of picture it is given to you 7 whole 3 upon 5 centimeter. And width of frame is 7 whole 3 upon 10 centimeter. Now the question is here, you have to find out how much the picture needs to be trimmed. Okay, for that what you have to do? You have to subtract the width of the frame from the picture, because picture needs to be trimmed, that one will be the greater one. You can compare it also. Okay, first of all when you convert it into this mixed fraction, when you convert it, it is 7 5 is 35, 35 36, 37, 38. It is 38 upon 5, and when you convert it, it is 73 upon 10. Okay, when you compare these two, then picture will be the greater one. Okay, so picture needs to be trimmed. It means it is 38 upon 5 minus 73 upon 10. Now using any method, you can use the LCM also. You can equalize the denominator. Equalizing denominator you can do by any method. Okay, it's up to you which method you will apply. You can take the LCM, you can do cross multiplication, you can equalize the denominator, but denominator to be the same. Okay, if we equalize the denominator, but it will be done, we will convert this 5 to 10, then this 38, it will convert into 76, means we are multiplying by 2. We are multiplying by 2 denominator as well as the numerator, so that our denominator becomes the same. Okay, this is 73. Now when you subtract 73 from 76, we are getting 3 upon 10 centimeter. So this much picture needs to be trimmed. Subtraction depends upon you, whatever the method you are using for subtracting. Okay, it is not compulsion that you have to solve by that method only. Okay, now we will discuss the next one. So Ritu ate 3/5 part of an apple. Remaining was eaten by her brother Somu. If 3/5 eat by Ritu, then by her brother, it means from whole, if you subtract 3/5, we are getting 2/5. So 2/5 by Somu. So how much part of the apple did Somu eat? You will get it. Who had get the largest share? It's known that Ritul. By how much? You will subtract it. Okay, you will subtract 2/5 from 3/5. That is your answer. Okay, you will do it by yourself. Now next one. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 upon 12 hours. Weber finished coloring the same picture in this one. Who worked longer? You have to compare these two. You can compare by cross multiplication, or you can compare by taking LCM. It's up to you. So which one is the greater one? That worked for the longer. And by which what fraction? For this you have to subtract. Okay, so these all are the answers for your exercise 2.1. For any query, if you are not getting answer for any of the question, you have to message me. Okay, next exercise 2.2. This also I have given you for the homework. For this question only you have to join which one is the correct one. For example, this 2 into 1/5. So you have to find out from all these which one is the 1/5. This one, and 2 means 2 parts. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this question. Okay, next question number 3 is here. You have to multiply and reduce in the lowest form and convert into the mixed fraction if it is possible. Okay, for example, this one 7 3s are, it is 21 upon 5. Now when you convert it into the mixed fraction, what you have to do? You have to divide that 21. Okay, what you have to do? You have to divide 21 by 5 and you can get the reduced fraction. How? You are getting 7 into 3 upon 5. Now when you are doing it, it is 21 upon 5. When you are converting into mixed fraction, so you will divide 21 by 5. 5 4s are, you are getting 21 is the remainder. How you have to write it? 4 whole 1 upon 5. Okay, so this way you will solve this question number 3. Question number 5. If you are facing problem of, means it is multiplication. First of all, you have to find half of 24, means half multiplied by 24. It is 12 only. Then you have to find half multiplied by 46. Okay, this way you will solve it. Next, first of all, convert this one. 5 5s are 25. 25 in plus 1, 26 upon 5. Then multiplied by 3. Okay. Question number 7. Same. Convert it into fraction. Mixed fraction, this you have to convert. Then multiply it by half. This way you have to find it out. Okay. Now question number 8. Vidya and Pratap, they went for picnic. Their mother gave them water bottle, 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2/5 of the water. From 5 liters, she consumed 2/5. Pratap consumed the remaining one. Okay. So Pratap consumed the 3/5 of 5 liters. Okay. So how much water Vidya drink? So you have to find 2/5 of 5. Okay. what fraction of the total quantity Pratap bring? So remaining from the whole you will find it out. It is 3/5. Okay. So again I am saying complete your exercise 2.1, 2.2, and if you face any problem then you can message me. Okay.